Here is how to make money on Netcharge application. So welcome to Netcharge YouTube video. In this video I'll be teaching you guys how to make money with Netcharge app. First thing you need to do is to download the app on Play Store. So after that you are going to sign up. So let me just show you how you can sign up easily with Netcharge app. So if you are new, just click on register. Let me put your first name, last name, email address, and number, and create password. So in case you have referral code, maybe your friend, maybe maybe you have it is on referral code. That's part of any that's part of making money in the next charge. You can easily refer people, your friends. You can also make money through that. So so after your registration was successful, just log in with your details. So your email and your password you create. So after that, you'll be sent one code on your email to verify your account. So kindly go to your Gmail, the one used to create your account, and copy all the code that was sent to you. So just copy the code, input it so to activate your account.
Am I dreaming or not? Am I in some alternate with somebody but all I see is purple clouds?
So paste your code and activate your account. So yeah, we create your pin, your transaction pin. You'll be using this pin to do any transaction. So create your private pin. So this is your account. So how can you make money through the application? You can make money in different ways. Firstly, by selling data. Yeah, you can start selling data in these applications. As you can see, this is where you generate your account number. In your next video, I will teach you guys how to generate your own account number so you can fund your wallet automatically easily. So you can make money through selling data. So this is business page. So here you know how many customers you have sent that to, like how your business is growing. So you will see the statistic here. So first you can earn money through selling data. So there is cheap data here. You can buy data at least 290. You can easily upgrade to become to reseller package. So in this reseller package, you just upgrade your account with just 2,500 naira. So if you upgrade your account with just 2,500 naira, you will buy very cheap data, like up to you can buy 1 gig 270 and you can sell it 350. So in this thing you can still apply for reseller package. So after you purchase the seller, you can apply for reseller package. So in this reseller package, they will be sending you one banners, one flyers, and one book. So the book will guide you how you can easily sell your data easily, how you can sell your data, and the flyers will give you one flyers to your business flyers, so your audience will know what you are selling. So another way of making money, here you can see there will be 2% discounts, 5% discounts in data, what I'm saying, discounts in get cable TV, 5% in the electric service. So see, you can still buy mega data in this application. Mega data, by buying data with just 25 gig, buying data 25 gig, and this one no have expiring date. Even if you no use am for 10 years, your data will be still dey there. 25 gig is just 7,000 naira. So here is our price, or at least our normal price. 1 gig is 2,090, let's say 290. So and it will be valid for 30 days. So another ways of making money here is by receiving 3 naira every 5 minutes. You'll be receiving 3 naira every 5 minutes when you are staying in the application. That's another ways of making money in the app. So you can make money through referring code, by invite people, or maybe another people is using your referring code. You'll be given 5% from the first deposit of the users, of the user. So you can also make money by reselling data. You can resell data, buying cheap data here, and you will be selling it in a good price. You'll be giving you one book and one flyers to sell your data. So here is how you can change your pin. We have dark mode, we have white mode. So this is Netcharge application. You can buy your data, airtime, pay bills easily and fast with chickening money. So welcome to Netcharge. We are happy to have you. So in our next video, I'll be teaching you guys how to fund your wallet, how mega data works. So